Hi all. Let's look at the step 2 in the design process. What we are going to discuss here is discovering deeper insights and validating them. Now, when we say discover deeper insights, that means we have already done some research, we have some data, and we are going to find insights from the data and then validate those insights. Now, why discover deeper insights? It's important to understand that when we do user research, we find a lot of things. We find that users have pain points. We find users don't like certain things. We find users waste a lot of time in certain things. We find many such information. But that is just raw, superficial information. What we really need is insights. Insights are the indicators of what the real problem is. So when we do lot of research, gather a lot of data and find many things, we will be able to articulate the insight. And these insights will help us suddenly explain all the findings that we have made. That is really the reason why we need to understand, discover deeper insights. One insight will explain away all the findings that you have. Now, once we get there, it will be clear what is the problem we are really going to solve. Now, let me touch upon a few techniques that are popular in understanding and finding insights. Personas is one of the most popular techniques where we find a lot of information about our target audience and then create a generic representation of our users. That representation will tell what our user wants, what our user needs, what are their challenges, and so on and so forth. Next is journey mapping. What we do here is take this persona, take this generic target user, and imagine what kind of experience they go through when they use our product or service, which we are trying to improve or reimagine. That is journey mapping. What is empathy mapping? Empathy mapping is a deeper uh, dig into specific points of what the persona feels, and so that we are able to relate to that persona fully and then solve the problem. After having finding these insights, it's extremely essential to validate those insights. We cannot quickly assume that what we have found as insights are the correct ones and then just move on. We might face problems later that our insights are wrong, so we have gone ahead and solved some wrong problem. So we need to validate our insights. Let me touch upon a couple of examples and we might discuss a few more. First one is continue watching, uh, the feature in Netflix. I'm sure all of you, or at least some of you, know this feature. Continue watching feature is an extremely important feature that Netflix created after having understood what will retain their users to continue to use their platform, quickly enabling them to find the information they need. And another case study is Nammayatri, where the auto drivers, their perspective was understood. And insight was that obviously, in retrospect, commission is a wrong model, but subscription is the right model. To summarize, we need to find insights, not just information. We can use techniques like personas, journey mapping, and empathy mapping to find these insights. It is extremely important to validate your insights. Based on this, you'll find extremely useful information. And when we solve those problems, you will give real value.